Good morning, students. Today in this video, I'll teach you what type of error commonly occur in any passage and how to detect error in the passage. In many videos, as the thumbnail appear, it is written in block letter that learn to rectify error within 10 minutes or learn to rectify error within seconds. Do you think that such statements are correct to the pie? Or they will make you capable of rectifying the error within 10 minutes? I don't think so. So they're just like temptation for you all. Before I begin this video, let me tell you one statement that ignorance is a blank sheet on which you may write, but error is a scribbled one which you must first erase. Yes, friends, the statement is quite revealing. If we are ignorant of grammar rules and part of speech, we cannot spot or detect error. And if you write something, suppose if you make correction in the state of ignorance, you're supposed to scribble. You're supposed to make mistake. So first we should erase our ignorance so that we can spot and detect the error in the passage. So friends, rectifying error is a difficult task, but more difficult is spotting them. Most of the time, students make correction wherever it is not required. And they think that their job is over. See the statement, if you don't go, I'll push you out. So now what the student do? The student associate this expression with Hindi expression, where we speak the same statement like, अगर तुम नहीं गए तो मैं तुम्हें धक्का देकर बाहर कर दूंगा, या अगर तुम नहीं जाओगे मैं तुम्हें धक्का देकर बाहर निकाल दूंगा. Normally in Hindi we express all conditions in future tense or past tense. Now the student make correction like, if you did not go, I will push you out, or if you won't go, I will push you out. So the above statement carries a condition in present simple tense. So the if clause will be also in present simple tense. Simply we saw that how we make mistake while rectifying error. So the first condition is to know the grammar rules and always keep checking your grammar, as we all know that practice makes a man perfect. We saw that in the state of ignorance we recorrected the statement which was already correct, and simply we think that our job is over. So first of all, what we need is to learn the grammar rule by heart and to practice grammar in our everyday life. In my opinion, grammar is like a framework in which ideas are hung. Even the loftiest, means greatest ideas falls flat if ungrammatically expressed. So the first condition to rectify the error or to correct the passage is you should get mastery over grammar rules. And second, as we all know that practice makes a man perfect, so keep practicing to know what type of error commonly occur in such passages and how to spot them. So there are some topics: article, determiner, subject verb agreement, preposition, conjunction, tense, voice and pronoun. If you'll prepare these topics, I'm very sure that you will be able to rectify the errors. Moreover, there are many words which sounds alike but mean differently. They belong to different parts of speech. For example, ITS, it's a pronoun, but IT apostrophe S, it's is the contraction of it is. Next is there, THERE there and THEIR there. We see that there, THEIR there is a possessive pronoun, but THERE there is an adverb. Similarly, your, YOUR, your is a possessive pronoun, but the contraction of UR is also same. It is also called your. So these are the words which always makes us confused.